Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I am going to show you how you can apply the transition to all of your clips. For example, you have cutted it in different parts and you want to apply the transition to all of these clips. So you can easily do this in a single click. Let me show you how. So first you will just import the clip and drag it to the timeline, and then just apply the different cuts wherever you want. And now I'll go to the transitions and I'll choose my transition. Now I like this one. So if you want to apply this, I'll just drag and drop here. You can just increase the size of the timeline or zoom the timeline so that you can see it properly. Hold the control key and scroll the mouse wheel to the front, and here you go. Now on the right hand side you have the option to set the duration. Once you see this, so it looks like this, and you want to apply it to all the clips, simply you can click here at the bottom which says apply to all. As you can see that the transaction has successfully been applied to all the clips in a single click. Now whenever you want to change the duration, let's say 1 second, after changing you can also apply to all again and it will be applied to all. Similarly, if you want to apply any other transition, you will just drag and drop. It will automatically replace it. Let's see, like this, and then you can apply to all. So it will look something like this. So that's all guys. This is how you can easily apply the transition to all of the selected clips. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, hit the like button, comment down below the topic on which you want to see the further videos, and I'll see you in the next one.